Welcome to DataStat Pro. In this video, we'll explore our one-click AI-powered data quality report. Data quality check is a must-have step before starting any data analysis. First thing first, open your web browser. Launch preferred browser on your device. Navigate to Google Search. Type DataStat Pro in search bar and initiate your search. Open the very first link pointing to DataStatPro.com. Wait for a few seconds to load the website. It navigates you to the landing page of the DataStat Pro app. Access the app. Click on Open App button, located at top right corner of the page. To begin, you can choose between two access options. Either create a free account for full features or explore basic functionality as a guest without any registration. Start by clicking the Login/Sign Up button in the top right corner. If you're already registered, simply enter your email address and password in the login fields. For quicker access, you can also use a sign-in with Google option if you prefer to use your existing Gmail account. Once you've entered your credentials, just press the sign-in button to access your dashboard. Remember, guest users can skip all these steps and start exploring immediately if they prefer temporary access. You can start importing data directly by clicking it from the dashboard page, or you can access it from the app header, or you can access it from the sidebar. Let's start importing an Excel file. Click on Upload icon. Navigate to the place where your Excel data file is residing. Choose the desired file. That's all your Excel data is successfully imported to DataStat Pro. You can directly start analyzing your data. However, recommended step is to first use AI Analysis Assistant to get AI-generated report on data quality. Click on Data Quality tab. Hear the magic. It provides you a comprehensive data quality report, overall data quality assessment, sample size recommendations, class imbalances. From this report, you will get the real data feeling. You will get missing data assessment, sample size assessment, data type validation by identifying potential mismatches in current type and suggested type. And you will get detailed distribution analysis for every variable in the data. For example, normality check for age, frequency for gender being categorical variable. It also highlights most and least frequent categories. In short, it provides you all the necessary information about data potential errors or limitations, recommendation, and ways to fix these limitations. DataStat Pro provides you AI-powered data quality report with just one click of mouse. Bye for now. We'll see you in another informative video about DataStat Pro capabilities.